Hello everyone. On the bench here I have some Mitsubishi Pajero transmission controllers. Green labels are turbocharged. You can see the TC there. Purple labels are naturally aspirated. I had a customer send me in one from a Daihatsu. Looks very similar. Connectors black. But I've been doing exchanges, so my normal repair queue averages right around 10 to 14 days, sometimes a little longer if there's a holiday or something, or if I get backed up because parts of availability. But I'm going to cut this open. It's presenting the same symptoms as these, and I will know right when I cut it open if the capacitors have spewed their guts. So I am taking these in for repair, and I also am offering ones that have already been recapped for exchange. Slightly more for the recapped exchange. These are for the shop. I've been doing exchanges. I try to wait till I have 3 or 4 before I do them because it's more economical to do a whole bunch at once. So I will come back when I have this one opened, and I will open up another one. I will open up these also tonight and show you the difference. And this one's a new one for me. So it's a Daihatsu. And presto, they're open. Now that takes a little while to open these up. This one here is a turbocharged. My cutter broke right there. Nicked the label, but it's open. So this one is the Daihatsu. That'll go back together nice. But that's the Daihatsu. I don't know if you can see that capacitor right there all jacked up. A couple of those capacitors are all jacked up. That's because they spew their guts out the bottom. So this one with the black connector is the Daihatsu, and it has the same issues as the Mitsubishi Pajeros. So all 5 of these capacitors will be replaced in it. Let's pull up a naturally aspirated. I should ask them if the Daihatsu was turbo or naturally aspirated. Maybe I should have shot this in 4K. But it looks like all the bonding wires are jumping for a naturally aspirated. I think the turbos are set up a little different. That's a turbo. It could be the same. But look at all that epoxy. And this is the other turbo. Hope those are showing up. But I will get these capacitors removed, toss them in the ultrasonic, get all the electrolyte that's dried up in there removed, install new capacitors, and they will be good to go. And these are done, except for sealing them up. This is the Daihatsu. Not sure what model it goes to. I'll ask the customer. But it's done. Same failures as the Mitsubishi Pajero. Here's the part number if you have one and you need it serviced. My information's below. Average time for service is 10 to 14 business days, sometimes sooner, sometimes a little later. These units here are my units. They are for the exchange program. If you don't have 10 to 14 business days to wait, I have these available for the Mitsubishi Pajero that are available for exchange. Same rules with servicing your transmission control unit. It has to be a sealed unit, no previous work. My information's below. If you send in a naturally aspirated, you will get a naturally aspirated. If you send in a turbocharged, you will get a turbocharged. Once your core is received, I'll ship it out within 1 business day. Okay, I have these all sealed up. Here's the Daihatsu. I think the stickers on the Daihatsu are a little bit better than the Mitsubishi. Mitsubishi, they like to flake off. They're real fragile, the stickers. But I will put this in a anti-static bag. It's sealed. That one's on its way. I'll catch y'all later.